Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos all at once. First, all you need to do is to go on to your home screen and select here onto the Photos filter. Now to find a duplicate, all you need to do is to select onto the filter and go onto the Pictures or just simply All OneDrive. Now after selecting All OneDrive, select this Gallery Layout. From here, you're going to choose a date, like a dynamic and an inline. And you'll find here on the side of the gallery name, the date. Now to delete one, all you need to do is just simply select this onto the top right corner of every image. And then after that, select the delete button or just simply delete button onto your keyboard enable for you to delete it. Now when it comes onto the files, just go onto the files, go onto the files of your account in OneDrive, click this sort, click on name and ascending. Then after that, you'll find all of the duplicates, files, and videos that you have onto your account. All you need to do is to select each of one and select delete. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.